I am going to be making a Cubano sauce for Cubano ciabatta sandwiches. On the sandwiches, my rolls are made with my sourdough starter, and then I am going to put on these sandwiches deli ham, a little bit of leftover roasted pork loin that we did in the slow cooker, and some deli ham, dill pickle slices, and Swiss cheese. And then this is a homemade Cubano style sauce to put onto the rolls. It's super good. And I'll put all the ingredients listed below for you. And then I will also link to my recipes for my sourdough starter, for my ciabatta roll recipe, and then I've got 2 other ciabatta sandwiches. I'm doing 2, a toasted Italian and a honey ham and Swiss with another homemade sauce for the honey ham ciabatta sandwich. Okay, so for this one today, we want some olive oil, some salt and pepper, lemon juice, oregano, some minced garlic, Dijon mustard, some light mayo, and if you've got cumin, you can add some cumin to it as well. We are going to do 2 tablespoons of mayo. And then we are going to do 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard. We are going to do 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. We're going to do 2 teaspoons of oregano. There's 1. 2 teaspoons of oregano. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of lime juice. If you've got fresh lime, use that fresh lime. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon of salt and pepper. I'm just gonna kind of eyeball pepper in there. I'm going to use sea salt. Use whatever salt that you would like. And then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm going to use extra light olive oil. And then we're going to give that a nice little mix. Okay, and there is our Cubano secret sauce for our ciabatta sandwich. This is one of my husband's favorite sandwiches to eat, is a Cubano ciabatta sandwich, and he loves everything with that Cuban style taste and flavor to it. I'm making him 2 subs. One is for dinner tonight and one is for him to take to lunch tomorrow. And leftover roasted pork loin, which is key to making some Cuban. Usually use pork shoulder, like pulled pork style, but this tastes phenomenal and he is excited about this. So I have my pork and I'm actually just gonna kind of cut this up just a little bit. If you want this roasted pork loin recipe, I made it in a slow cooker with a delicious cherry glaze. I will link to that recipe. And I have my dressing here, which I will leave the ingredients below. This is a homemade Cuban style dressing. It's got minced garlic, oregano, lime juice, Dijon mustard, mayo, olive oil, pepper, and salt. It is so good. It just accentuates all of the flavors of the sandwich. And you want this to be a little bit of a thicker slathering. And then we are going to add our ham. And I will link to the recipe for my homemade ciabatta rolls here. Layering the pork in there. And then we're gonna add our Swiss cheese. And we have to top it off with a pickle, dill pickle spear. I have the sandwich slice style, just like so. Oh, delicious. This is so good. Hubby is gonna be happy tonight.